2016 quick video on BlackBerry, ticker symbol BBRY. First, we have to go through the disclaimer. This is not an investment advisory and should not be used to make investment decisions. This is for information purposes only. I'll give you 2 seconds to read the rest and then we'll get started. So, BlackBerry, a monthly chart. Those of you who've been following me already know this chart. We're really following this one since the beginning of October, and we had this spike up, and everybody thought, and me included, that it would just keep going up, and then January happened, right? Okay, so we are slowly but surely recovering from this really nasty candle, and we're approaching the earnings release on April 1st. The market is expecting a loss of 8 cents a share. I think it's going to be another surprise, just like it was in December, where there was a 70% upward surprise. So I'm looking up. Levels to look at would of course be the 2016 year open at what is it, 919, and that would also coincide with this blue trend line that's been going on since 2013. So finally, maybe hopefully we can break that on the earnings release and start looking upwards and looking at this. I call it the golden median line. Once we trade above it, this should provide some support, or some really good support. Okay, not sure how far or how high we'll get this month, but like I said, I'm looking at the year open, 100% fib extension at 983, which also coincides or confluences with a 61.8 at 1008. Okay, so we might just get there before a slight pullback to the golden median line, and then hopefully the earnings release will shoot us up. You see here all the other year opens. So we've left the 2014 year open behind us. Let's hope we can tackle the 2016 year open, and up she goes, hopefully. Weekly chart. Something interesting going on. Hang on, it needs to load. Alright, so last Friday, this level, it has been unbelievable how much trouble, or how difficult it was for the stock to tackle this level. That's what these yellow squares are for, just to show that, okay, we are at definitely a very, very, very important level. Okay, so the next week it's going to be make or break. We're going to go above it, or we're pulling back, and the pullback, 750s, 2014 year open might be a possibility. But let's take everything, let's wait till Monday or Tuesday, basically, because Monday I don't think a lot will happen. Targets, of course, the 55 weekly, which is at 831, would be the first target, and a confluence between this trend line, an internal trend line, not the blue one but the red one, which would really, how shall I say it, would really confirm that this blue fork is really valid. So if we can confirm that with a touch of the median line, then we can extrapolate price movements into the future. That's what Andrews pitchforks do. Okay. Quick look at the daily chart. Oh, one more thing. Wait, I'll go back once this loaded. I'll go back to the weekly chart. Volume, right? Volume, I don't know what's going on with BlackBerry, but goes up on low volume and it goes down on high volume. Now, volume's been building up and price has been going up too. So this is a positive sign. I'd rather have it go up slowly and volume go up slowly than like real spikes and price just just all over the place, basically. If you look at these wicks, just don't like that. Okay, so the daily, same thing. Let me zoom in a little bit. Same thing, you see the squares. We're really at an important decision level. The red median line should provide resistance. So tomorrow 781, hopefully it will stay above that, and especially the close of this candle, this Friday candle, not to close, the low at 780. You should, let's say that should hold. Okay. What else? Yeah, I mean, risk reward. Basically, if you're new to BlackBerry, I would say 752. Price now is 793, so a risk of 41 cents versus a reward of, I would just say 983 is definitely possible. So that's quick calculation is like 1 to 3, 1 to 4 risk reward. I would take those bets if I was a gambling man any time of the day and night. All right, thank you for listening, and have a great Sunday and have a good trading week. Bye bye.